Definition: when we are talking about possession, relationships, illnesses, and characteristics of people or things, we can use either have, or have got. The have got forms are more common in an informal style. Subject pronouns with to have. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. We have, you have, they have.
Review of rules: have, or have got, indicates possession in the present time. For third-person singular use has, or has got. Quiz 1, fill the blanks with have got, or has got, to complete the sentences.
Number 1, I the had. It's red.
Number 2, we hats. They're yellow.
Number 3, the musicians' hats. They're white.
Number 4, she has a pencil case. It's red.
Number 5, the boy, two sisters.
Number 6, she, measles.
Number 7, Mr. Johnson, the cell phone.
Number 8, they, cold.
Number 9, the girl had a brother.
Number 10, Jack, long hair.
Definition: in grammar, a possessive word, form, etc., shows who, or what, something belongs to. Possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their.
Review of rules: possessive adjectives shows who or what something belong to. Use possessive adjectives before nouns.
Quiz 2, fill the blanks with proper possessive adjective to complete the sentences. Number 1, he has a hat. His hat is black.
Number 2, he has a camera. Camera is old.
Number 3, the dog has a hat. His hat is black.
Number 4, the man has a chair. Chair is comfortable.
Number 5, we have dolls. Dolls are beautiful.
Number 6, he has a bat. Bat is black.
Number 7, she has got long hair. Hair is gray.
Number 8, he has a comb. Comb is black.
Number 9, I have a candy bar. Candy bar is brown.
Number 10, she has a hairbrush. Brush is yellow.